Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain when England was a republic. This unique period in English history saw the nation governed without a king or queen, a stark departure from centuries of monarchy. It began after a tumultuous civil war, which culminated in the execution of the reigning monarch. For about 11 years, England experimented with new forms of governance, profoundly shaping its political landscape. We will explore the key events and figures that defined this extraordinary time. Following the execution of King Charles I, England was declared a commonwealth, a republic governed by Parliament. This new political structure sought to represent the people's will, moving away from monarchical rule. However, establishing this new system was far from easy. The Commonwealth faced significant internal divisions and external pressures, including ongoing conflicts in Ireland and Scotland, requiring strong leadership and military action to maintain stability. As the Commonwealth struggled, Oliver Cromwell, a powerful military leader, assumed the title of Lord Protector. This transition established the Protectorate, a period of more centralized, almost monarchical, rule without a king. The instrument of government, England's first written constitution, defined his powers. Cromwell's leadership brought stability but also imposed strict puritanical laws, influencing daily life and culture across the nation. After Oliver Cromwell's death, the Protectorate quickly faltered. His son, Richard Cromwell, struggled to maintain control, leading to widespread political instability and a power vacuum. Many longed for the return of traditional governance. Ultimately, the monarchy was restored with King Charles II, marking the end of England's Republican experiment. Despite its relatively short duration, this era profoundly influenced ideas about parliamentary power and individual liberties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.